If you want to cancel your Google Drive storage plan, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to stop your Google One membership and cancel your extra storage subscription step by step. This is perfect if you no longer need paid storage, want to avoid future charges, or just want to manage your Google account more efficiently. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and tech guides like this. All right, let's jump into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that has the storage plan. This part is important because if you're signed into the wrong account, you won't see the right membership options. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your storage section there, along with a button that says Get More Storage. Go ahead and click that button. This will take you away from Drive and redirect you to Google One, which is where all Google storage plans and memberships are managed. On the Google One page, you may see your current plan details, storage usage, and subscription settings. Now look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That gear icon opens your Google One settings, where you can manage membership controls. From there, find the option that says Cancel Membership. If you do not see it immediately, don't worry, because depending on your plan or whether you currently have an active subscription, the layout can look slightly different. In some accounts, the cancel option may only appear after you open the membership or billing section. Once you click Cancel Membership, Google will usually show you a few prompts explaining what happens next. Take a moment to read those carefully, because canceling your plan may reduce your available storage and could affect files if you're over the free limit. After reviewing the details, follow the prompts and confirm the cancellation. Google may ask you to choose a reason, review your billing end date, or verify the account one more time before finalizing the change. Make sure you complete each step until you see a confirmation message letting you know the membership has been canceled. After that, your Google Drive storage plan should no longer renew, and you'll be moved back to the free storage tier when the billing cycle ends. If you still have files stored above the free limit, it's a good idea to check your storage and clean up anything unnecessary so you don't run into issues later. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel your Google Drive storage plan through Google One. If this video is helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.